See, the guy up there now is when he needs to strap his harness on. Here he comes. He's standing up there. Now his harness should be attached to what's left of the scaffolding they got there, into the building or something. See how he walks around there? That's really dangerous. One slip, one fall. He'll take out the guy below him. Now he's doing a balancing act. Diving board. Whoa, if you fall off there, you are done. It's a shake and bake shit. That is dangerous. That is really heroic. Look at that. Amazing. And up there by himself, you would think there should be another guy up there.